Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. We have a gorgeous sunny afternoon and we're enjoying this beautiful spring weather around my home. My allergy symptoms are slowly getting better as most of the trees in our area have now leafed out and everything's looking green and pretty for the spring. And I'm excited because I have the May Joyful Jordan box to share with you today. So grab something cozy to drink and stay tuned for that. And welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today to unbox another Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. I am a Jordy or Jordan Essentials consultant, so I will have my special shopping link in the description box down below. This monthly surprise box called the Joyful Jordan box is a great deal on products. First of all, it's $29 for the box and you're going to get a value of $39 or more with each box. There's usually exclusive items that you cannot get in our regular catalog, but they're still going to have the great small batch, fresh ingredients, natural ingredients, all made right in Missouri. So it's a USA-based company, woman-owned, and just lots of great products for myself, my whole family, and around our home as well. And the subscription box option, if you do subscribe to the Joyful Jordan box, then you don't pay anything for shipping and it can ship out to you on whatever date you choose each month. You control your subscription. You can cancel at any time. You can restart at any time, or you can always just buy the box once and try it out and see what you think and then decide from there. So without further ado, let's open up this little box of awesomeness. These also make a great gift because you can either gift someone the whole set or break it up into some smaller gifts, and each box will come with a card. So this one says, "Summer is for more time outside, me time, family time, and sunshine time." We've got that cute image on the front. And on the back, this is our annual bug box. So if you've been around with me for a couple of years, this is a returning collection, a little bit different look and feel with the labels, but essentially some of our great bug away products. This is a natural, healthy way to keep the bugs away. And also, if you would get a bug bite, we've got our outdoor soothing stick, which is going to help with bug bites and itches. And I just love having these products on hand because then I know we've got our family covered. So when we're out and about enjoying the great outdoors over the summer, I don't have to worry about getting bug bites. We can spray ourselves, spray the area. But the best part is it's not chemicals. I don't have to worry that my daughter is being sprayed with DEET or any of the other toxic things that can be in some of the other bug spray type products. And what's really cool is we have two sizes of our bug away spray, and this little size here is new. So this is a 1 ounce spray in this cute little purse size bottle, and the large spray is a 4 ounce, and this has our oil of lemon, eucalyptus, and peppermint blend. And this is in a witch hazel base, so it easily sprays on any surface, on your skin. It doesn't have that toxic odor because it's just natural ingredients. So it says Bug Away Spray uses nature's own repellent of oil of lemon eucalyptus to deter insects without harmful toxins. It has a clean, fresh scent and is safer for kids and around pets too. So to use it, you're just going to shake a little bit, spray directly onto your skin and clothing or in the surrounding environment for a virtually bug-free time. So I love having this. I usually buy several boxes because once this box goes away at the end of May, we don't necessarily know if we'll have any of the products available to buy again. It's always different every year. So I just like to stock up in May, get quite a few of the bug boxes, enough to see us through the summer, and so that I have one in the car and one by the back door and one in my purse and one in my daughter's backpack. So there's just always the bug away spray around. And then the other option here, like I said, if you would happen to get a bug bite, this is our soothing stick. So it says cool and calming. Lavender, peppermint, tea tree, and juniper berry essential oils soothe itching and inflammation. To use it, you're just going to apply the stick to any area that needs soothing relief from itchy skin and all that comes with an active outdoor life. So this is just like a lot of our other sticks. It has that beeswax base. See if I can get it open. There we go. So it kind of looks like a big tube of lip balm. You're just going to apply that beeswax base balm to your skin, anywhere you've got a bug bite. This would even work great on just like ouchies and boo-boos, but because it has the tea tree and the peppermint, it's going to be great for soothing. So it'll help soothe the itch, even burns, things like that. And it's a really nice blend of those essential oils, and it smells good too. This one is updated with that juniper berry. That's a new ingredient this year to our outdoor stick. So this is a great collection of 3 really helpful and natural products you can use all summer long. And like I mentioned, this will only be available May 1st to the 31st, 2024. So you definitely want to grab yours while you can. You can use my shopping link in the description box down below and try out some of our natural healthy skincare for the summer. So thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. I'll have all the information in the description, and I hope to see you for my next video. Other than that, have a good one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.